Cheetah returns to her cubs after a failed hunt. It was 6:30 in the evening. She may have to remain empty stomach for another night. Or will she hunt just before it is totally dark? This was our second last day in Samburu. Today, we went for a full day safari. Almost the entire day was spent with this cheetah family. Despite being the fastest animal on earth, cheetah succeeds in only 1 out of 6 attempts. The presence of 4 sub-adult cubs also was making the task more difficult for her. She was hungry, and her desperation was noticeable throughout the day. Around 3:30 in the afternoon, she managed to hunt a hare. But this kill was too small for the entire family of 5. We saw the character of a mother here. She allowed 4 cubs to share the kill. Despite being hungry herself, she sacrificed and starved so that babies can have some food. Not only she allowed them to share the kill, but also ensured that babies are given the training of a hunting skill when she brought a live hare and put it in front of them. This allowed us to capture a series of action shots, some good, some bad. It was a fast action, and to frame it perfectly was difficult. The erratic movement of hair was just not predictable, both for us and for the cheetahs. This resulted in getting some shots wherein animal body part was cut abruptly, giving it an unpleasant look. Whenever you are shooting an action, you must shoot little wide so that you have some leeway. But care should be taken that you should not shoot too much wide. Otherwise, in post-processing, too much amount of cropping would be required, which may deteriorate the final quality of your image. I opted for a focal length of around 250mm. Got some good frame without the need for cropping much in post-processing. However, few images did omit essential elements and were thus not usable. I always keep saying in my teaching that whenever you are framing and looking through the viewfinder or the LCD screen, you must look at the borders to avoid any accidental inclusion or accidental omission. But one frame in this series, interestingly, by default, by accident, came out like this. Hair in between. On the right side, head of one cheetah, and on left side, tail of another cheetah. Although accidental, but somehow I liked it. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts. Just because you are a professional photographer, that does not mean that each time you will be shooting a perfect frame and there is no need for any cropping in post processing. If someone claims it, then he is not honest, neither to himself nor to his profession. We started the day with an exciting note. Before the sun rose on horizon, we were with these cheetahs. As sunrise kissed cheetah family, they all become active. While the video was being recorded, I also recorded a time-lapse video with my cell phone. Do not underestimate the power of cell phone camera. Use it judiciously. And of course, getting a family portrait with a rim light effect was always on the agenda. If you are interested in knowing what should be your camera settings to shoot the effective rim light effect, then watch this video. You will also find a link in the description. After a while, baby started playing. Fast shutter speed freezed the action. But suddenly, the scenario changed. Cubs stopped playing. Mother was getting ready for a serious job. She sighted a group of impala. Cubs followed and spoiled the effort. Impalas were alerted and Mother Cheetah had to put her task on hold. One of the sub-adult cub provided a perfect condition to shoot a high-key image. I discussed about high-key image in a previous video of this series. If you are interested, please watch this video. High-key images often look better if converted to black and white. So here I am presenting both color and monochrome version. You be the judge and let me know in the comment which one is your choice. Since we were following this cheetah for the whole day, they provided us an ample opportunity to shoot various type of images. Sometimes they would pose for us climbing on the tree, sometimes on a termite mound, and sometimes they all will come together and give us a portrait shot. But some of the best portraits were provided by these cheetah cubs after feasting on the hair. The blood-stained face and their greetings gave a unique opportunity to shoot close images with wide open aperture to get a shallow depth of field. And one image out of this was also photo of the day. We spent almost 13 hours with these cheetahs, but mother was still empty stomach. Tomorrow, she must hunt.